Here we can recall St. Ignatius of Loyola. Pray as if everything depends on God and work as if everything depends on you. It simply means a disciple of Christ should toil tirelessly to do God's work, and at the same time, he or she should be ready to leave the outcome to God. One should not be overly worried about its result. If God is in charge, we can accept both success and failure. That's why Jesus tells the disciples, when they say we were successful, we cast out demon obeyed when we ordered him to come out in your name. Jesus says, don't rejoice for that, but rejoice because your names are written in heaven. So the disciples are sent on a mission, not to be under an illusion about the world's attitude toward them. Jesus tells them they are sent like lambs among wolves. They must have trust in the providence of God. And so they are asked not to carry cash, spare clothes, or provisions. This experience, even now, the novices of the Society of Jesus, the Jesuits, undergo that experience for 1 month. They are sent on mission, trusting in the providence of God, not supposed to carry any cash, money, or any food or extra clothes. They may go barefoot and just with one pair of clothes.